What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. What's up guys, Ivan here. So this is S65 Cabriolet. So this is the key fob for this beautiful car with AMG logo, and on the back with a Falterbach logo. So this is the top of the line S-Class model with V12 engine. So this will be a full review of this car, exterior, interior and exhaust sound. So this particular car is finished in anthracite blue metallic paint job, paint finish, and it has Swarovski crystals in the headlamps. Also Panamericana grille. And also this is different from the S63 model because this model is rear-wheel drive only and S63 is 4MATIC Plus. Also you can see distinctive air ducts in chrome in the lower part of the front bumper, so immediately you know this is different than S63. So these are the LED intelligent lights, as you can see here, LED intelligent light system with beautiful Swarovski crystals, and this is the anthracite blue metallic, as I said, very nice color, looks like a gray and blue together. So these are the 20-inch AMG alloy wheels, multi-spoke design with carbon fiber brakes. So this car has 255, 40, 20-inch tire size, and these are the Michelin tires, carbon ceramic brakes with immediate stopping power, and V12 bi-turbo badge on the front fender. So you know you don't have a V8 engine. Tell me, what do you think about this color? I think it's beautiful, looks amazing on the sunshine. And also think this car is great with silver wheels, not with black wheels. It has of course the key-lock system and everything what you expect from the top of the line Mercedes-Benz AMG model. So real lights are OLED and they are beautiful. I will show you later how they look when the lights are on. And also in the back you can see 4 exhaust tips and rear diffuser. Looks just amazing. So also this car has a fabric soft top in beige color. So these are the 4 exhaust tips. S65 badge and AMG badge on the boot lid. So let's take a closer look at the engine space. So the AMG V12 delivers a peak output of 463 kilowatts or 630 horsepower and the maximum torque of 1000 Newton meters, resulting in effortlessly superior performance. The Mercedes-AMG S65 Cabriolet accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 4.1 seconds and has a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, respectively 300 km per hour with the optional AMG driver's package. The AMG 6.0 liter V12 bi-turbo engine ensures a sensational drive in other respects as well. Stylish drive comfort, tremendous tractive power and effortless power delivery in all speed ranges are coupled with refined engine running characteristics and the distinctive sound characteristics of the AMG V12. Also, this car has an AMG SpeedShift Plus 7G Tronic gearbox. So the S65 AMG has AMG Sport suspension, so you can change your comfort. It's based on airmatic system, responds to added weight by increasing the pressure in the air spring. This increases both the spring rate and the spring force. At the same time, the pneumatic all-around level control system ensures a constant vehicle level. So this engine is also hand-built in Germany in a Folterbach. And let's take a closer look at the interior of this car. So this is Burmester high-end sound system, the best sound system, and this car is finished in designer exclusive Napa leather, porcelain and deep sea blue upholstery. These are the seats, memory heated seats air scarf, and also memory seats, fully electric adjustable. You can control the boot lid with this button from the interior. And this is just beautiful combination of upholstery and outside paint finish. Anthracite blue metallic color and deep sea upholstery. And this porcelain like a beige interior. Just spectacular and gorgeous car. So let's hop inside and check out the interior space and infotainment. So this is the key for the S65 AMG V12 engine with amazing Folterbach logo. And you can see heated seats, memory seats, fully electric adjustable seats. Just going to put this down. Sun is shining, spring is coming. And yeah, this is just next level. So as you can see, this is beige interior. And I think it suits this car, S65 model. With magnificent V12 engine. We won't have this engine anymore because of the emissions. So this is one of the last of the breed. With new interior, new steering wheel. This is just amazing, this finish. So let's start the ignition. This is pulsating. AMG logo. And V12 bi-turbo writing on the instrument cluster. So this is just fantastic. I turn the ignition on. Alright guys, so this particular car has a low car battery, because probably every customer is playing with the infotainment system. So full review of this you can find in my S63 video, which I'm going to link down below. But yeah, let's take a look shortly. So I'm going mainly in the vehicle section. And you have here seats, massage, dynamic seat, lumbar support, shoulders, then climate control settings, energizing comfort, which is like combining lightning and massage. Dynamic select is for driver's mode, which is also here in dynamic. Assistance is for Parktronic, traffic sign assist, active brake, speed adjustment, and consumption. You know what this is? Light settings, ambient lighting. So you can have a lot of different options. And my favorite is set red moon. Maybe you can see a little bit here. I'm shooting against the sun. But yeah, here is red, purple. Here is also lightning. These are for lights. Spotlight, you can see the person. We know this stuff. Exterior light shut off, exterior light shut off, vehicle settings. Yeah, so there is also navigation, radio and classic stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not going to push to the limit car battery. So let's take a look at the instrument cluster. Really nice AMG on the speedos. And with this area you control the instrument cluster, and with this one you control this command display. Of course, some pedal shifters up and down. Really nice pedals. And here you see V12 logo. This is really nice touch. I really like this. So you have service. Error messages would be here. Tire pressure, you need to drive for this. Assist plus is for knowing where is the service. Coolant, engine oil level, you need to drive to see these things. It won't measure, I tried it before, so you need to drive. Assistance, you would see here, Distronic plus, driving pilot, attention assist, if you need to take a break. V12, performance, so you have boost here and temperatures of the engine. Settings for the transmission, suspension, gearbox and stabilization systems. G-force meter, lap times, boost, kilowatts and newton meters. So yeah, that's it. And then trip. So this is total trip. This car has already 6,800 kilometers, which is around, I don't know, 4,500 miles. I will put it on the screen for you, my American friends and British friends. This is the range, because the tank is empty. Consumption, code display from start, from reset. So actually we have some statistics. So from reset, this car had 25.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Just from the technical standpoint, because everyone who buys this car doesn't really think of fuel as of a financial thing. So just from a technical perspective. Of course, MPG will be on the screen. I will calculate it when I edit the video. And this is actual speed. So I'm operating this with this area. So even if this dies for you, if you have like a low battery, you can still drive with this, no problem. So that's good news. So you have navigation here. Of course it's turned off, so it's not showing. Radio, media, this is self-explanatory. Telephone, head-up display. So you can set position, brightness, display content. So brightness, I'm going to set it to 100% so I can see it. So you can set the position where should be the head-up display, more up or more down. So this is really nice, so you can set it. And then you can set the brightness from level 5 to -5, and then display content. So you can set what do you want to see. So you can have like revs with traffic sign. This looks really good. It's here. So really like this. So then you can change the design. So you have classic, which we have now here, sport, and then progressive. So my favorite my favorite is probably, it's hard to say. Every design looks great, so I can't really decide. This is great because you have like a speedometer, but classic is nice because you have a V12, so you know which engine do you have. So this is a special because of that. So yeah, that's basically it. You can of course you can change. If you have like this sport, then you can if you go in sport to trip setting, then you can change on this side things and also on this side. So for example, you can have consumption here. So you can set everything how you like it. So that's what I like about this new Mercedes system. Alright, so let's continue. So here you have a mirror in sun visor. Everything is premium material. So even this is like a cloth roof. It really has a nice like padding and isolation. I don't really hear people talking outside in the showroom. So that's really great. But yeah, this is S-Class, so it's expected to be like this. Here are also ventilation, maybe to cool down display, I'm not sure, but it's really great, really nice detail. So here is the AC unit, Designo writing, and here is the 12-volt socket. Here is like a little space for something, maybe for key. Some cup holders. You can also see here the ambient lighting. So this is for the command system, auto start stop dynamic. So if I press this, you can see Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Individual. Doesn't have a race mode. Not entirely sure why, but maybe because this is like a sophisticated, not like a hardcore like S63. So here is really nice embroidered in the leather Infotainment logo. And we can open this from the each side. Also a passenger can open it. And you can put the roof down with this button and also with the key fob. And this is probably for the wind. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is for the roof. I can see it now. So here you have a setting. So you can open the roof. Also this is for windows and this is for like a windshield. So this is nicely and deep, not super big, but also not small. And you have also here like a second compartment. You have also here USB ports, SD card, so quite nice. And you can also open it with this button from this side, so that's great. The best seats, which is Mercedes offering. And here you have a glove box. And you would have here the perfume to diffuse in the interior if you like. And Burmeister high-end, the best audio system. Nice AMG logo, air scarf. So if you have top down, then you can have like warm air blowing on your neck. And these are the rear seats. So nice speaker. This is like for storage. Armrest. So I can see there is quite a lot of space there. So you can even put up and down these headrests in the back with this button. Really nice. So yeah, I'm not going to climb in the rear seat, but there is enough space, I can tell you that. Also headroom is enough for me. So yeah, this is not issue. So here in the upper panel you have not sure what this is, maybe like for there is like a tool, maybe if it's something broken or book the service. This is SOS button, information, lights for sunglasses compartment. This is for lights. If you open the door, then the lights won't be on if you press this button. Also lights, and this is for passenger. Everything is nice and nice in leather, so really great. I'm going to open now roof from the outside so you can see the mechanism. So let's hop inside and take down the rooftop. You can do it with a key, but probably this car battery is weak, so I need to open it from the inside. So let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about this. Would you take S65 or rather S63, the more performance version? So you can open the roof with this button, so just hold it. And this AMG roof lining in Napa leather, porcelain Dynamica microfiber would go down in the boot space. So this is how the car looks without the rooftop. So with this button you can put up these aero beads which help to flow air nicely, so you don't have like a turbulence of the air when you are going higher speeds. And also it's in the back. It's not the best looking, especially in the back, but it's good for airflow. Soft close for the doors. And now we are going to take a walk around this car to see how this looks without the rooftop. So it looks just gorgeous, and I think this is an amazing car for the summertime. So this is the Burmeister high-end Hi-Fi system in the back of the car, so you can have a nice surround sound. And a lot of chrome bits on the car, I think it looks great. On more performance car, I prefer black trims, but on this car I prefer more chrome bits. Enough space and also speaker in the back. And just a gorgeous car in this porcelain AMG Napa design on leather. So this is the aero bit I showed you before, and also it's here. So you can also drive without this, but in higher speeds it has better airflow. So these are the doubled windows for better sound isolation when you have a roof up. So let's take a look at the rear lights. So these are the OLED lights with each small panel, and it is just a magnificent design. I really like it. Looks really nice in person, like a 3D design. S65 badge also on the boot lid at AMG badge. You have a nice OLED logo, and just take a look from the side how it's a 3D design. Just amazing design from Mercedes-AMG. So now let's take a look at the boot when the roof is down. So even the roof is down in the boot, you have still nice space for luggage. So when people are traveling with this car for a longer distance, I think you can fit a few suitcases there or a few duffel bags. Of course, if you have more luggage, then you can put the roof up and travel like that. But I think this is really nice size for the car, and you can fit stuff for your weekend drive, no problem. You can close the car and also close the boot lid. And also you can lower the car when you need to put some heavy objects inside. So let's close the boot lid. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Let me know how do you like this video. Let me know if you like more S65 with V12 or S63 with V8 engine. More luxury or more performance version of this S class. And if you like more coupe or the cabriolet. So yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Like this video, share it with your friends. And of course, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. So hey guys, thanks for watching, and I wish you to have a great day.